Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to one of our videos. Obviously, no one's gonna watch it, so I do not care anymore. I love it. I love making videos like this. So, let's get back to what business we are doing. This week 4th of 2026, context. Interactions with girls. Insecurity, no. Self-doubt, no. Distraction. It was a distraction जो मैं करता था, जो मैं लोग जो चाहते हैं कि इंटरेक्शन हो जाए लड़कियों से. पावर ऑफ अफर्मेशन रिकॉर्डेड 1. इस हफ्ते मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है इसको, तो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रीजंस दैट आर एक्चुअली really impactful in my life, in what I have been doing. You versus you mindset. Yes, this is also a good thing because it forces on working on something that you want to do, and nobody is there actually stop you. This is something you versus you mindset. Focus on yourself and the world will beg for your attention. Yes, this is real. I mean, obviously at starting you will feel like what am I doing is wrong, but when you focus on yourself, when you focus on things that you want to do, then my friend, the attention follows. It is opposite. I used to think that no, we have to seek attention, but now it's totally different now. So achievements: 40 push-ups, which is below our deadline, which was 42. 6 push-up per day, but क्या करें? But still, it's not what we wanted. I did 40 push-ups in 2 days, like 2020. I should have done it 6 push-ups per day. I might be pushing myself too hard. We will see. This week I'll be making some new adjustment to this. 1.5 PYQ solve. Well, this is because my college has been begun. So कॉलेज जाता हूँ, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम उसमें चला जाता है. इस वजह से मैं ठीक से PYQs पे फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सुबह से लेके दोपहर के 3 बजे तक कॉलेज चला जाता है. क्योंकि सुबह उठ के तुम थोड़ी ना PYQ सॉल्व करोगे. सुबह उठ के तुम तैयार होकर कॉलेज जाओगे कि PYQ बैठ के सॉल्व करोगे. दिस इज़ इट. दिस इज़ द टाइम दैट आई वेस्ट अ लॉट. बट स्टिल, even in college, whenever I have a free period, I focus on solving PYQs. That's the best thing there is. Wins. What was the wins? This was the achievement. Wins are something more like on your thought level. They can work also. So number 1, felt confident when I adopted you versus you attitude. Because what I have heard, मैंने जो थॉट सुना था कि when you compete with everybody in this world, पूरी दुनिया से compete करोगे, तो मतलब जैसे अगर पड़ोसी से compete करोगे, जैसे तुम्हारा फ्रेंड हो गया, क्लासमेट हो गया, अच्छे नंबर्स पा रहा है, अच्छी पर्सनैलिटी है उसकी, उससे compete करोगे, तो you will find कि इस दुनिया में तुमको तुमसे बेहतर लोग हमेशा मिलेंगे. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनको छोड़ देना है. नो, You have to focus on yourself, कि तुम डेली ग्रो कर रहे हो कि नहीं. This is what you versus you attitude feels like. Talked to a few girls, obviously, that I used to avoid. Not because I wanted to avoid, but I felt so scared. I wanted to talk, but I feel so bad. जैसे मेरा दिल फट जाएगा, इतनी तेज धड़कता था. तो पिछले अगर तुमने कुछ वीडियोस देखे होंगे, जो कि तुमने नहीं देखे होंगे, तो मैं बता देता हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत शाई टाइप का लड़का था. हूँ नहीं, आई वॉज. I'm totally different now. सो ये आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि लड़कियों से बात करना जो है बहुत बहादुरी वाला काम है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग फॉर इट, बट आई रियलाइज नो, इट्स नॉट, it is not. What are girls? Girls are human being, and human being has all the problems that you have, they also have that. तुम YouTube से एडिक्टेड हो, वो भी है, तुम इंस्टा से एडिक्टेड हो, वो भी है, तुम मूवीज देखते हो, YouTube देखते हो, और क्या सोते हो, लेजी हो, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हो, तो वो भी है सब। ऐसा ही नहीं कि they are something very different from you, they are like, एंड जो ये समझ गया कि मेरे जैसे हैं, तो जो टेम्पटेशन होती है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा कि मतलब वही है जो है कि यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जिससे तुम बात करने चलो वो बहुत स्पेशल नहीं है, शी इज़ अ नॉर्मल पर्सन लाइक यू, तुमको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट विद अ गर्ल। So yes, this was it. Third win, no bad porn. What is bad porn? Porn that don't make you confident. ये क्या philosophy? Porn देखने से confidence आता? बिल्कुल आता है। और porn that makes you doubt your potential. तो वही होता है bad porn. जैसे for example लोगे, देखो अफवाह चल रही है मार्केट में कि बहुत गंदा आदमी, बहुत है ज़्यादा गंदा आदमी हूँ मैं, बट फिर भी मैं बोलूँगा, मैं डरता नहीं, मैं समाज वगैरह से किसी से डरता नहीं हूँ मैं। पिताजी से तो सबको डर लगता है, फिर भी मैं बोलूँगा क्योंकि पिताजी मेरा वीडियो नहीं देखेंगे। देखो समाज में जो है अफवाह चल रही है कि बड़े लिंग वाले लोग they are more capable of satisfying women. इंग्लिश में, हाँ इंग्लिश में बोलने में थोड़ा सही रहता है। So big dick people, they are considered they can satisfy a girl in a better way. And here we go, my brother is coming, he will see this. कौन है? You see, I ain't afraid of this anymore. Because what I have seen, I used to feel what? Scared of things. Not anymore. Get रंगाए है। Alright, this was something else. क्योंकि I used to feel so scared जब भी मुझे ये लोग रिकॉर्ड करते हुए देखे, बहुत ज़्यादा। But now, I mean, it was so comfortable. I felt so good. That is a proof. That is a proof of what? That is a proof of me evolve. My past things, bad habit, thoughts, behavior, mindset, all of those, I have deleted them from my life. How? I do not know. I'll find out someday and I will post a video about it. I promise a lot, but yeah, what can I say? तो किस पे थे हम? Big dick people, it is considered that big dick people can satisfy a girl even better than a small dick people. Well, I want to ask you a question. How do you know big dick people can satisfy a girl in a better way? I do not know. I have watched porn. I have heard from my friends. That is the problem. You have never done sex before in your life. So how can you tell that big dick people can actually satisfy? It is considered, yes, it is considered Allah, bhaiya, chacha. Damn, so many birds. It is considered कि लड़की thick people can satisfy a girl, but it's when you look at average, I mean on YouTube and all those stuff, even what girl prefer is medium dick size. Damn, how the fuck I get this strong to talk about things that make me insecure? I can't even talk about this to my family, to any of my family members. But I'm talking to this video right now. घरे वाले देखिए ना, घरे से निकाल दिए हम, बताओ थे. So yeah, that was the problem. So that would I considered a bad porn. So whatever makes you uncomfortable and doubt your potential, don't make you confident, those all are bad porns. So no bad porn this week. Losses, fab 3 times. Yeah, spent 2 hours total. 2 hours of what? Tapping. Porn. Spent 2 hours in porn total in 7 days. Fantasizing and daydreaming a lot each night before sleep, and 2 days in afternoon, 7 hours. Fantasizing, what is fantasizing? Fantasizing is daydreaming. So डेली रात को सोने से पहले दवा की तरह लिया है मैंने, और कभी कभी दोपहर में भी लिया है, जो कि गलत बात है, जो कि मुझे खत्म करना है, लेकिन लगा हुआ हूँ. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू what? I'm trying to be better, but I'm not. Fuck that. बीच में भूल जाता मैं क्या बोलता रहता हूँ. So this was it. These were the losses. Lesson learned. Number 1. Affirmations are real stuff. Damn. Recorded audio. क्योंकि affirmations जो बोलते हैं वो feel नहीं होता है. I do not feel कि जैसे for example, no bullshit like I'm a billionaire. Simply write down what is true in your life. For example, mom suffering from body pain and joint pain, and I must get up to go ahead in my life in order to improve my financial condition, so I can get her treated well, and all those things, can provide a better life to her. तो ये सब चीज़ें affirmation में लिखनी चाहिए. I mean, obviously this work for me. I do not saying कि जो traditional method है वो बेकार है, तुमको ये अप्लाई करना चाहिए. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying कि ये मेरे लिए काम किया है. Number 2, what I do, by the way, affirmations में मैं लिख लेता हूँ ढेर सारा, और मैं उसको text to speech से convert कर देता हूँ और daily सुनता. That is what I do. And I have different things for different affirmations. And जैसे porn के लिए affirmation है, उसको तो मैं daily नहीं सुनता. I listen it when I feel the urge. थोड़ा सा भी अगर urge आ रहा है कि चलो porn देखते हैं, तो मैं उसको play करता, earphone लगा. Number 2, you versus you attitude. 1% rule. When you focus on yourself, you actually improve. क्योंकि अगर अपनी कमियां ढूंढ के उनको खत्म कर रहे हो, तो एक तरह से तुम improve ही तो कर रहे हो ना. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि दूसरों की कमियां ढूंढ के तुम उसको खत्म करोगे तो खुद improve होगे, नहीं ना. खुद की ही कमियां ढूंढ के improve होगे. So when you improve, when you focus on yourself, you actually improve. And when you improve, you feel confident about yourself. And when you feel confident, that actually shows up in your behavior. And when you become confident in yourself, you attract people in your life. So that is what I'm trying to say here. When you focus on yourself, you feel when you improve yourself daily, day after day. Like if you go and talk to me 1 month ago, I would not be this confident guy. भैया आते ही से गेट खोलते मैं डर जाता कि भैया देख लेंगे कि मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा. But now I have done this for 4 times. Now I feel confident. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ सही है. This was it. Number 2, you versus you attitude. हाँ, यही तो था. Number 3, I thought having no conversation with girl was an insecurity, and I was a bad guy, that girls avoid me. But no, it was perfect. Having conversation with girls is a distraction. I mean, let me tell you something that I felt. when I was having conversation with my friends, at those time, I almost forget my drive. मैं जो चीज़ें करना चाहता हूँ मैं चीज़ें कर नहीं पा रहा था. I used to feel like that. But जैसे YouTube वीडियो बनाना है and you need a lot of dedication for it. But when I have already talked with a girl and आके मैं यहाँ सोच रहा हूँ उस लड़की के बारे में, उस कन्वर्सेशन के बारे में, so how can I focus on things that actually improve me? This was it. This was the problem that I was trying to overcome. But now I feel it. I feel the right thing that I was doing. I mean, I was really craving for a conversation with a girl, but now, not anymore. Because now I see what I am and what I want to do. And number 4, necessity versus abundance. I have to do this. No, that is a necessity thing. I choose to do this. This is mindset of disciplined person. Instead of worrying about necessity, शुरुआत में करोगे तो necessity से ही करोगे, पर धीरे धीरे you will understand कि you have to approach from abundance. मेरे पास I have skills, I have techniques to do and perform my best, but what I want to do is something I choose to do. I do not have to do this. I choose to do this. This is what we call from abundance. Closing information reflection. It's have been a month. I have grown from so much due to constantly challenging myself and observing me. Thoughts, behavior or mindset, everything, finding why it happened and what cure. Asked ChatGPT. Obviously I did. And I love this month went well. It was about, if you go and talk to me 1 month ago, I wouldn't be this confident person, because during this 1 month, I constantly challenged myself and observed my thoughts, my behavior, mindset, everything. I write it down. I write a daily diary in which I write this down, and I find why was that happening to me, or how can I improve it, how can I work on this. These were the things I was working on from this 1 month. And one more thing, in that diary I write one sentence, one thing that makes me better today. One sentence that I write in my diary. So this was it. This month went so smooth. I have uploaded 4 videos. Damn man, I used to think I was a really bad guy, but no man, I'm feeling confident now. Next week goal, make 1 video. No, find what you want to do. Push up 42 to 105. Damn, I'll do push up this time. I'll just do that. 2 hours in fantasy and 1 hour in porn. And you see, 1 porn video only. You see, I have tried this. 0 fantasy, 0 porn, but I have failed it. So when I know I will fail this, why don't I just switch from failing to a little bit less discipline? So that is what I am going to do this month. Less porn. Thank you very much. I want to thank myself. Obviously I want to thank you guys too. I want to thank myself for doing this video, editing me, all these things. Thank you very much. I love you, bro. And now you're eligible. There's a fly trying to. Alright, I'll just go now. I haven't planned anything yet. Bye bye. Bye bye.